Welcome back, you guys, to another unboxing video. And today we are unboxing this. So, in my opinion, all of these devices, they really just aren't, none of them are great, okay? You can see on there, this is the Nighthawk Mobile 5G Hotspot Pro in black. And the reason I got it was because it's Wi-Fi 6, so you can see that on there. And I'm hoping that out in the field, because I do a lot of real estate photography, that out in the field, when I'm shooting houses, that it will allow me to connect my Canon R5 to the internet. So, I mean, with fast enough speeds to actually transfer CR3 files. And I really just took a gamble on this. I have no idea whether it's going to work or not. But here it is. It actually comes kind of half installed here. So what you do is you get the top layer off the box, and you're going to grab the lithium ion battery and put that in right there. So let's hurry up as I do this. Beyond that, you just get a charger and a few other stupid items. So right here in the packaging is the bottom. So after you install the battery like this, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna throw this on top of it, and then it should just start right up when pressing down on the start button.